Hello, welcome back to yet another exciting lecture. In today's lecture, we'll be solving a practical mathematical age problem, right? So let's quickly delve into the question. Right, Akufo-Addo is R years old now, and Kufuor is F years older than Akufo-Addo. If S minus 5 years ago, Kufuor was twice as old as Akufo-Addo, express S in terms of R and F. Right, so this is a practical mathematical age problem, right? So first and foremost, you form an equation from the age problem by identifying the key details in the problem. So let R be the age of Akufo-Addo, right? Kufuor's age would be represented as R plus F because Kufuor is older than Akufo-Addo. So the age of Akufo-Addo and Kufuor S minus 5 years ago would also be represented as, so let's first look at Akufo-Addo's age. So Akufo-Addo's age S minus 5 years ago would be R minus into bracket S minus 5. So Kufuor's age would be represented as the combination of the age of Kufuor himself and that of Akufo-Addo minus their ages 5 years ago. So we are going to get into bracket R plus F minus into bracket S minus 5, and this represents Kufuor's age. Okay, so in X minus 5 years ago, Kufuor's age was twice Akufo-Addo's age, right? Right, so in X minus 5 years ago, Kufuor's age was twice Akufo-Addo's age. So earlier on here, we gave the equation of Kufuor's age to be R plus F, or in bracket minus X minus 5, or in bracket, right? So in X minus 5 years ago, Kufuor's age was twice Akufo-Addo's age. So this was here represents an equal to sign. So whenever you see was or is, it represents an equal to sign. So Akufo-Addo's age in S minus 5 years ago was represented as R minus multiplying or in bracket S minus 5, right? So in X minus 5 years ago, Kufuor's age was twice Akufo-Addo's age. So therefore we are going to get R plus F or in bracket minus S minus 5 or in bracket equals 2 multiplying or in bracket R minus X minus 5 bracket close, right? So R plus F minus X plus 5. So there's an invincible 1 standing here just by the minus side. So removing the bracket, you multiply each side by 1. So you are going to have some negative 1 here. So it's like negative 1 times X will give you negative X, right? So negative 1 multiplying negative 5 will give you positive. So negative plus negative is positive, right? Negative, right? So negative multiplying this negative 5, so negative 1 here negative 1 here. Multiplying this negative 5 will give you positive 5. So therefore, the follow-up equation is r plus f minus x plus 5, right? So let's move to the other side of the equation where we have Akufo-Addo's age. So we are having 2, or in brackets r minus x minus 5, brackets close. Right, so let's solve the equation in the bracket first. So r is constant, so it remains the same. Just as the other side, there's an invisible one standing just by the minus sign here, right? So negative 1 multiplying x is negative x. Negative 1 multiplying negative 5, nege po. So it will be positive 5, right? So therefore we are going to get 2, or in brackets r minus x plus 5. So we have formed the bracket equation here. So let's form the final equation. So r plus f minus s plus 5 would be equal to 2 times r is 2r, 2 times minus s is minus 2x, 2 times positive 5 is 10, positive 10, right? So therefore our final equation here will be r plus f minus s plus 5, which is equal to 2r minus 2x plus 10. So we group like terms, right? Grouping like terms, those with similar values would remain at one side, and those with other similar characteristics will also remain at the other side. So dealing with the x factor, the s variable, right, or the s variable in the equation, we have minus x here. So we take all the minus x here. So that's minus x here. And there's minus 2x here. So this minus 2x, right, crosses the equal to sign here. Okay. So whenever a number crosses an equal to sign, it changes its form. So this minus 2s is a negative number, so it will change to become a positive number. So that's why we have positive 2s here. So we have minus x plus positive 2s. So let's move to the other side of the equation, right? So we have our 2r already here, okay? So, and there's an r here. This r is positive. It will cross the equal to sign and to change its form to become negative. So then it will become a negative r. So we have 2r minus r. Similarly, there is a positive f here. So it will also cross the equal to sign and change its form to become negative, right? So that's why we have minus f here. So we have 2r minus r minus f, right? Similarly, there is also a positive 5 here. It will cross the equal to sign and change its form to become a negative, right? So we have negative 5 here. And correspondingly, there is this positive 10, which is in its lane, initial lane, so it will stand constant. So that's why we have positive 10 here. So therefore the equation will be minus x plus 2s equals to 2r minus f minus 5 plus 10, right? So let's solve for x, right? So now we have a negative s plus 2x, okay? So it's like you are having 2 oranges, then you lose one of the orange, right? Eventually you'll be left with 1. So minus x plus 2s will give you an x, right? So we found the value of x. So x is a positive x, just one x, so it's x. So let's solve for the other side. So 2r minus r. So you have two things, then you lose one, you are going to be left with just one. So r, right, minus f. So negative 5 plus 10 would give you a positive 5, right? So you owe someone $5, then you go and work and you get $10 as income, and you pay off that person, you are going to be left with just $5. So that explains our final equation. So expressing s in terms of r, we are going to get s equals r minus f plus 5. So therefore the expression s in terms of r and f is s equals r minus f plus 5. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.